Did you know you can make a creamy, healthy tiger nut drink at home with just 4 simple ingredients? Let me show you how. So here, I already have my ingredients ready. Soaked tiger nuts, fresh coconuts, washed dates, and a little ginger for flavor. Everything is cleaned and properly washed. So first, I add my soaked tiger nuts into the blender. Next, the dates. This will sweeten everything naturally, so there is no need for sugar. And a little ginger for that slight spicy kick. Also some coconut for that creamy taste. Okay. Now, I add some water, just enough to help it blend smoothly, okay? You don't want to add too much water because we want it thick and rich. Then blend until it is completely smooth, okay? After blending, it's time to strain. I'm using a clean chiffon cloth to separate milk from the chaff. So pour your blended mixture into the chiffon cloth and then squeeze it very well. Don't waste that juice at all. That's the real tiger nut milk there. Tiger nuts drink contains a lot of benefits. It helps to improve digestion. It boosts energy naturally. It's good for heart health. It is lactose-free alternative. Tiger nut milk is great option for people who don't take dairy milk. It is also rich in nutrients. Also, it may help support reproductive health. Traditionally, tiger nuts are believed to help support male and female reproductive health. It helps to control blood sugar in moderation. Because of their fiber content, they may help regulate blood sugar when consumed moderately. Also, it is very good for weight management. And this is the result. Fresh creamy tiger nut drink made at home. Look at that thickness. No preservatives, no artificial sweeteners, just natural ingredients. Will you drink this chilled or with ice? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, support this channel by liking this video and subscribing right now. We are growing every day and I appreciate every single one of you. Turn on the bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next one. Bye.